Do you want to implement voice AI agent in your business? Well, this video is for you. But before I tell you the exact steps, let us see a quick demo of the voice AI agent that has been implemented for a restaurant business. And here it goes.
Hey, this is Anna from Bella Restaurant. How can I help?
Hey Anna, I'm looking to get some pizzas. Can you tell me what all pizzas do you serve? Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. At Bella Vita NYC, we serve the following pizzas: Margherita Quattro Formaggi Diavola, spicy pepperoni. Anything catching your eye?
So I think Diavola is catching my eye. By the way, what all pastas do you serve? And can you also recommend me a beverage? Hey, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. At Bella Vita NYC, we serve the following pasta dishes: fettuccine Alfredo spaghetti carbonara penne arrabbiata. As for beverages, I recommend trying one of our handcrafted cocktails that reflect authentic Italian flavors. Would you like me to help you with anything else?
Yeah, so this looks good. The thing is that I'm planning to get my wife to your restaurant on my anniversary. And can you book us a table for?
That sounds wonderful. I'd be happy to help you book a table for your anniversary. Could you let me know the date, time, and how many people will be joining?
Yeah, so it's just me and my wife, and our anniversary is on 4th of April. We're planning to come around 7 p.m.
Got it. Let me confirm to you a table for two on April 4th at 7 p.m. for your anniversary. Could I have your name for the booking?
Yeah, my name is Prakarsh.
Thank you, Prakash. Your table for two on April 4th at 7 p.m. is all set for your anniversary. We can't wait to celebrate this special occasion with you and your wife at Bella Vita NYC. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with. Great. Thank you, Prakash. We look forward to welcoming you and your wife on your special day. Have a wonderful anniversary celebration. See you soon at Bella Vita NYC.
Great, so in this video we covered a voice AI agent that was applied to a restaurant business. These voice AI agent can be applied to various different business, and if you have a custom problem, just book a call with me using the link in the description and we can build these voice AI agent for your specific use case. So this voice AI agent was able to get my name, was able to book a table, was able to fetch the menus, and so many other things. Now this voice AI agent can be applied to many different businesses like dental appointments, like restaurant bookings, like travel agent, and there are multiple variations of this voice agent. Now let's try to understand how you can build the same voice AI agent for your business. Now this voice AI agent will have two parts. First is the voice part that it is able to converse with the client, and second is going to be the knowledge base or the RAG AI agent. Now to understand how the RAG AI agent works, click on this link and you can understand how the RAG AI agent works. Alright, now that's out of the way, let's understand how we can build this voice AI agent. Now to build the voice part of this AI agent, I'm gonna go to Retell AI and click on create an agent. Now select single prompt agent and click on blank. Now this is going to be the workspace of our voice AI agent. And as you can see, this is divided into a few parts. One is the prompt area, then we have functions, knowledge base, and a lot of things. And the third part is the test audio section, where we can test our voice AI agent as we build it. Now for the prompt, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the restaurant voice AI agent and copy the prompt. You can get the same prompt from my Discord community and I'll add the link in the description. Now let's try to understand this prompt. It says that you are a receptionist at a restaurant and your task is to answer user related queries. You have to start with a greeting message and you have this particular function that will help you get all the answers that is going to asked by the user. Later, we are also providing the scheme of how it should call the function, and we have example conversational flow. Great, now our prompt part is ready. Now let's hop on to the functions part, which is going to connect this voice AI agent to our RAG agent. So I'm going to click on add function and name this voice AI webhook. And I'm going to copy all the details from a restaurant voice AI agent. Great, now our function is done. So the major part of the voice AI agent is done. Now let's understand how this AI agent will get the information like menu, location, and a lot of things. So I'm going to hop over to my N10 workflow now. And this is where our RAG AI agent comes in. So we have two workflows in this RAG agent. The bottom flow is going to help us upload our knowledge base to the Superbase Vector DB. And the second one is going to help us fetch the correct information about the restaurant, about a business to the agent. So I have already uploaded a file to my drive folder, which is then connected to my RAG agent. And as you can see, it is being triggered by file updated or file created. And this will simply upload the entire file to my Supabase vector DB. So I have added this restaurant information to my drive, which has information like restaurant name, location, cuisine, overview, menu highlights. We also have beverages, operating hours, reservation policies, special services, contact information, and a lot of things like FAQs as well. And I'm simply feeding this information to my Supabase vector DB. Now the bottom workflow has created an embedding for the entire document into my Supabase DB. So it is very easy for my RAG AI agent to fetch information about the restaurants from this particular DB. But again, simply uploading the file to Supabase is not enough. So what we're going to do is we are going to create a RAG AI agent. Now I've simply connected this to a webhook, which is responding to our voice AI agent. So in this Retell AI voice agent, I have added this URL. And what does this URL do? It is calling the RAG AI agent. So you can see that this is the webhook, and in the production URL, you are able to see the same webhook URL. This ensures that the Retell AI voice agent is able to communicate to my RAG AI agent. Great. So this RAG AI agent is now fetching the information from the Supabase and is able to respond to the webhook. If I show you a previous execution, so you can see that this RAG AI agent received an information from the webhook. Let's see what it got. So the Retell AI voice agent simply sent the transcript to our RAG AI agent. It does everything that I asked to the RAG AI agent. So you can see that this code block is now eliminating the junk and simply getting the user query, which simply says that I'm looking to get some pizzas and you tell me what pizzas do you serve. Now our RAG AI agent knows exactly the question which I'm asking. I simply pass this to this RAG AI agent and this is able to return me this particular answer. That Bella Vita NYC serves the following pizza. One is Margarita, Quattro Formaggi, and Diavolo. Now that we have the response, we have to send this to the webhook again. So I'm responding to the webhook and simply sending this information to our Retell voice AI agent. What does Retell do? It simply takes this textual information from RAG AI agent and converts this into the voice and then returns it to me. And this is how a single conversational flow works. Now during every call, it will be able to fetch out multiple information. The user may have multiple questions. One time I can ask about the pizza, second time I can ask about the reservation policy, third time I can ask about the operating hours. So for every question, it will call out this init and RAG AI agent so that the AI agent gets the information from the DB and it is not getting hallucinated. So we have provided the information about the business to the RAG AI agent, and then this RAG AI agent simply returns the correct information about my business to this Retell voice AI agent. Retell takes care of the rest. But if you think about it, our voice AI agent has to be able to do a lot more than just fetch and give information. Our voice AI agent should also be able to communicate frankly with the customer so that it is more human-like. So this is where the prompt refinement comes. I am telling the voice AI agent that you have to start with a greeting message. You have to use all these webhooks, you can communicate, and you have to respond to the user. Now that we understand how it is working on the backend, let's analyze the entire voice AI agent from the history. So Retell AI is also able to store the entire call transcript. So this is how it goes. So you can see that this is a greeting message that the voice AI agent served me. And this is the question I asked. Now I asked about the pizza information from the voice AI agent, and it was able to get the information right from the RAG AI agent. So you can see that in this particular execution, it was able to get this information, like it was able to get the information about the pizza, which was Bella Vita NYC serves the following pizza. So Retell was able to get this information from the RAG agent, and using this information, Retell responded like this. So using the information from the RAG agent, it was able to answer my question. Now I asked another question, that what all pasta do you serve? It was again able to get the pasta list from the RAG AI agent. Later I asked about that this sounds good and I'm planning to get my wife to your restaurant on my anniversary. Now this conversation was only handled by Retell AI. Since I was not asking a question here, it simply took over the conversation and it did not call the RAG AI agent for this question. And this ensures that the entire conversation is more human-like. So it is not simply a Q&A bot, it is a conversational AI agent. And later it helped me book a table for April 4th at 7 PM for my wife. Alright, so in this video we covered a voice AI agent that was applied to a restaurant business. Now if you want to add voice AI agent to your business, book a call from the link in the description and we'll be happy to build that for you. Awesome. Now to sum it up, we built a voice AI agent on Retell AI and connected it to our RAG AI agent. If you want to get a very detailed video of how to build a RAG AI agent, click on this link and this video will help you build your RAG AI agent. Great. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we built a Ghibli image converter using Lovable and N10 and got more than 30,000 hits in under 3 days. So click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on building MVP products using Lovable and N10. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye.